The Alligator solid wall fixing is the most advanced masonry plug in the world. It even outholds some chemical anchors whilst being non-toxic, weather resistant, sets instantly, and requires no special tools for installation. Drill the hole the same diameter as the plug. Push the plug into the hole, then tap it flush. Place the item you wish to fix over the plug, insert the screw and tighten it flush with the item. The plug actually extrudes up to twice its length, bonding the screw to the wall. The Alligator plug even works when you hit a hollow cavity in the concrete or brick.